Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Smart Finance Investor. Today, we're diving deep into the world of technical analysis, a crucial skill for any stock market investor. In this video, we'll demystify chart patterns and indicators, giving you the tools to make more informed trading decisions. Segment 1. Chart Patterns Explained. So, what exactly are chart patterns? Chart patterns are recurring shapes or formations that appear on price charts, providing insights into potential price movements. Let's cover some common chart patterns and their meanings. Head and shoulders pattern. The head and shoulders pattern is a significant technical analysis formation seen on price charts. It typically signals a reversal from a bullish trend to a bearish one. The pattern consists of three distinctive peaks. The central peak is the highest and is referred to as the head, while the two smaller peaks on either side are the shoulders. The two troughs that separate the peaks are referred to as the neckline. This pattern suggests that the upward momentum is weakening, and traders might start losing confidence in further price increases. When the price breaks below the neckline after the formation of the right shoulder, it confirms the pattern. This breakdown can mark the beginning of a new bearish trend, often resulting in a decline in the stock's price. The head and shoulders pattern is widely recognized and can be seen across various time frames, from short-term charts to long-term ones. It's important to remember that no pattern is foolproof, and false signals can occur. Traders often use additional confirmation indicators and tools to increase the reliability of their analysis before making trading decisions based on this pattern. Double top and double bottom patterns. The double top and double bottom patterns are essential chart patterns in technical analysis. A double top pattern is a bearish reversal pattern formed after an uptrend. It consists of two peaks at approximately the same price level, with a trough in between. This indicates a failed attempt to break through a resistance level, often leading to a potential trend reversal downward. Conversely, the double bottom pattern is a bullish reversal pattern seen after a downtrend. It comprises two troughs at roughly the same price level, with a peak in between. This suggests a failed attempt to push prices lower, signaling a possible upward trend reversal. Traders closely monitor the confirmation of these patterns, which occurs when prices decisively break above the neckline in a double bottom or below the neckline in a double top. These patterns can occur on various time frames and provide insights into potential price movements. However, as with any pattern, false signals can happen, underscoring the importance of combining pattern analysis with other technical tools for more accurate decision-making. Ascending and descending triangles. Ascending and descending triangles are key chart patterns used in technical analysis to predict potential price movements. An ascending triangle forms when a horizontal resistance level intersects with a rising trend line. This pattern suggests that buyers are becoming more aggressive, and a breakout above the resistance might lead to further upward movement. In contrast, a descending triangle occurs when a horizontal support level intersects with a declining trend line. This pattern indicates that sellers are becoming more dominant, and a breakdown below the support might trigger additional downward movement. Traders look for a breakout or breakdown from these patterns, which usually happens with an increase in trading volume. It's important to note that not all triangles result in significant price movements, so confirmation signals are vital before making trading decisions. As with other patterns, it's advisable to use supplementary indicators for more comprehensive analysis. Segment 2. Indicators Unveiled. Now that we've covered some chart patterns, let's move on to indicators, mathematical calculations applied to price and volume data to provide insights into market trends and momentum. Moving averages. Moving averages are essential technical tools used to smooth out price data by calculating the average price over a specific time period. Moving averages reveal trends' direction and momentum, aiding in identifying potential buy or sell signals. The 50-day moving averages is popular for short-term trends, while the 200-day moving averages indicates long-term trends. A crossover of prices above the moving averages may signal an uptrend, while a crossover below may indicate a downtrend. Moving averages are widely used in conjunction with other indicators for enhanced trend analysis and decision-making. Relative Strength Index. The Relative Strength Index is a popular momentum oscillator used in technical analysis. Relative Strength Index measures the speed and magnitude of price movements to assess whether a stock is overbought or oversold. Relative Strength Index values above 70 suggest overbought conditions, potentially indicating a reversal or pullback, while values below 30 suggest oversold conditions, implying a potential rebound. Traders use Relative Strength Index crossovers and divergences to confirm trends and potential reversals, but combining Relative Strength Index with other indicators and market context is essential for accurate analysis. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is a versatile trend following momentum indicator. Moving Average Convergence Divergence consists of two moving averages, a faster one and a slower one, and a histogram that illustrates the difference between them. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence line crossing above the signal line generates a bullish signal, indicating potential upward momentum, while a cross below the signal line produces a bearish signal, suggesting potential downward momentum. Traders also look for divergences between the Moving Average Convergence Divergence and price movements to identify potential trend reversals. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is often used in combination with other indicators for comprehensive analysis. There you have it, a glimpse into the world of technical analysis with a focus on chart patterns and indicators. Remember, while these tools can provide valuable insights, they're not foolproof. It's important to combine technical analysis with other forms of research and risk management strategies. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Happy trading, and until next time, take care.